Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fabric softener at home. If you're new to this channel, I suggest you subscribe so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Fabric softener is designed to make your clothes and fabric soft and fluffy. It can be sprayed directly on the fabric, or you can simply add it to your rinsing water during laundry. In this video, I'm going to take you to the process of how to make fabric softener at home. And in this method, which happens to be our second method, we will be using 1. White vinegar, 2. Hair conditioner, 3. Hot water, and 4. Essential oil. Now before we go into the mixing proper, let's establish the quantity of materials we will require to produce about 1000 ml of fabric softener. White vinegar, 3 cups. Hair conditioner, 2 cups. Hot water, 6 cups. And essential oil, 10 ml. Before I proceed, let me say here that you can use any kind of hair conditioner. And if you want to learn how to make hair conditioner, I have dropped a link in the description box below this video. Click on that link to learn how to make hair conditioner. Now these are the materials. This is our white vinegar. This is hair conditioner. And just like I said earlier, if you want to learn how to make hair conditioner, I have dropped a link in the description box below this video. Click on that link to watch a video of how to make hair conditioner. And this is essential oil. Now this is our hot water. Here we also have the measuring cup. Now measure 2 cups of hair conditioner into an empty bucket. Add 3 cups of white vinegar. Now stir the mixture very well. And 6 cups of hot water. Now stir the mixture very well. Now you can add your essential oil and continue stirring. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your fabric softener is ready for use. You can spray it directly on your towel and other fabrics, or you can simply add it to your rinsing water when washing your clothes. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have also dropped a link in the description box below this video that will take you to the first video of how to make fabric softener at home. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can as well follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.